Lawrence? Che macchina questa?
È una Panda.
Super! 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 Super!
Nuova Panda Super, l'auto in libertà.
The Fiat Panda isn't just a city car, it was a stroke of genius. In today's video, we'll discover 10 clever ideas that turned this tiny utility car into a revolutionary vehicle, loved all across Europe. Number 1. Giugiaro's design, the essence of simplicity. Designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro in 1980, the Panda was born with a clear philosophy, functional simplicity. Straight lines, flat surfaces. Everything was meant to be cheap to produce and easy to repair. Number 2. Transformable seats, from car to bed in 30 seconds. The first generation had fully reconfigurable seats. They could fold forward, be removed, or combined to make a bed. Perfect for a beach weekend or an improvised camping trip. Number 3. Flat doors and sliding windows. Lower costs, higher efficiency. Flat curve-free doors and horizontal sliding windows were cheap and practical. A minimalist car design, long before minimalism was trendy. Number 4. Flat floor and 100% usable space. The nearly flat floor allowed you to load just about anything. In terms of cargo space, it could almost rival a van. With the rear seats removed, the Panda could offer up to 1,000 liters of cargo capacity. It was the city car that thought it was a van. Number 5. 4x4 versions, the queen of light off-roading. The Panda 4x4, developed in collaboration with Austrian firm Steyr-Pusch, was unbeatable in snow and on dirt roads. A small car with the heart of a mountain beast, simple, rugged, and surprisingly capable. In many alpine areas, it's still the queen of the road, and some people even prefer it to modern SUVs for tackling rough mountain paths and snowy roads. Number 6. Pocket-style dashboard. Every inch is useful. Forget fancy dashboards. The Panda used open pockets everywhere. Everything was visible, accessible, and easy to clean. Every surface had a purpose. Number 7. Unbeatable lightness. At under 700 kilograms, the Panda was nimble, fuel-efficient, and fun to drive. It used almost no fuel and could park anywhere. That lightness also helped it handle rough roads with surprising toughness, making it ideal for everyday driving anywhere. Number 8. A car for everyone. The Panda truly was for everyone. Young people, retirees, workers, students, families. It was cheap, easy to repair, and it never let you down. Number 9. The Panda van version. Fiat also released a Panda van version with no rear seats and darkened or paneled rear windows aimed at craftsmen, couriers, farmers, and small business owners. Compact on the outside but spacious inside, cheap to maintain, and unstoppable on any road. For many, it was the first true low-cost work car in Italy. Number 10. Unique personality. Loved, modified, cherished. From the city Pandina to the mountain Panda 4x4, every example seems to have its own personality. Some people customize it, others preserve it like a jewel, others still use it every day, but no one forgets it. And today, we've now reached the 4th generation of the Panda, with the first new models launching right now. Over the years, it has certainly lost some of the versatility and do-it-all character of the first generation, but it has continued to reinvent itself while staying true to its popular, down-to-earth spirit. In Italy, it remains a true bestseller, winning over new generations with its practicality and affordable price. And you? Which one of these features impressed you the most? Or is there a clever solution we didn't mention that you'd put in the top 10? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and long live the Panda.